Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dr. Somerer Ginseng. For adults, the typical recommended daily dosage is between 200 and 400 milligrams of extract. It is often suggested to take this in divided doses, perhaps 2 times a day. Always start with a lower amount, like 100 milligrams, to see how your body reacts. Consistency is key for experiencing the full benefits over time. To maximize the benefits of Dr. Somerer Ginseng, it's best to take it with a meal. This can help prevent any mild stomach discomfort. Try to avoid taking it too close to bedtime, as its stimulating properties might interfere with your sleep. Remember, ginseng works best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle, including good nutrition and regular exercise. Proper storage in a cool, dry place maintains its potency. Dr. Somerer Ginseng is known for several potential benefits. Many individuals report increased energy and a reduction in fatigue, helping them feel more vibrant throughout the day. It can also support cognitive function, leading to better focus and mental clarity. Furthermore, ginseng is often associated with bolstering the immune system and assisting the body in adapting to various stressors, promoting overall well-being. Before incorporating Dr. Somerer Ginseng into your routine, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Ginseng can interact with certain drugs, so always discuss this with your doctor. If you experience any adverse effects, stop using the product immediately. Pregnant or nursing women should also seek medical advice before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.